Kun kutaa lammaffaa viidiyoo koo akkamitti gaaffii gaafannu jedhudha. How to ask questions with be in present simple tense. In the present simple tense, we can use be verbs in questions. 1. Use is with singular pronouns like he, she, it, and any other singular nouns. The structure is plus subject plus adjective, noun, or any other suitable words. Examples: T. Abdi is happy today. Is he happy today? Jennee gaafachuu dandeenya jechuudha. The next, use are with plural pronouns like you, we, they, and any other plural nouns. Structure are plus subject plus adjective, noun, or any other suitable words can be used. Examples: A. I am beautiful. B. Are you beautiful? Are kan jedhu asitti gaaffiidhaaf fayyadamnee jirra jechuudha. The next one is am. Use am with the pronoun I. A structure: am plus I plus adjective, noun, or any other suitable words can be used. Example: You are criminal. Start your question with am. Am I criminal? Ati yakkamaadha? Ani yakkamaadha? jedhee gaafataa jira jechuudha. Structure gaaffii sirrii ta'uu kan qabu am I criminal isa jedhudha malee I am criminal jennee gaafanne yoo ta'e gaaffii dogoggoraatii jechuudha inni kun. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos. Have a nice time.